Hey guys, Chris here with Solutions by Shriner. It's been raining all day here, so I thought I'd make a video on how I make my yard signs for local advertising. So I got these from uzmarketing.com. They're two-sided, one color, and I ordered 100 of them for $246. So that's $2.46 per sign. And then make sure you do not order the stands that come with them because they're really expensive. So what I do instead is I went to my local Menards and ended up buying these Masonry ladders. And they're like, the smaller one I think is about $4 each. And the larger one is like $1 more. It's definitely cheaper to get the larger one because you can use these cross sections to make your stands with as well. And I'll show you how I do that. So I picked these up for like $7 or something. It's between $5 and $10 at Harbor Freight. And they cut these really well, and then I just use these, stick them in the bottom of the sign, and go put them around town. And the math behind these is the small one you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could hold 6 signs with. The large ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then double that, so that's 16 plus 1, that's 17 out of 2 instead of 12 out of 2. So you buy 2 of these for $11 or $12, and then you can use it for 17 signs. Now to cut them apart, you just take these, go to the end, and cut, and cut. Want to make sure you cut these off too, because you won't be able to use that. It's not going to go in with that little barb on there. So chop it off. And make sure you're wearing safety glasses while you're doing this so that a piece doesn't fly off and hit you in the eye. So you just keep doing that till you get them all cut. Then you can take the 2 short ones and use them together in the sign, or grab the long ones and space them out evenly. Go about halfway in. Halfway in. Now you got your yard sign ready to go put around town. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope it helps. I'm kind of a cheap ass when it comes to this stuff, so anything I can do to help. If you want to see more stuff like this in the future, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.